Hey guys, it's day one of School of Hits with me, Keanu, and I've got Ghena and also Jasyh with me. And right now we're gonna do a challenge where we're gonna listen to some disturbing sounds that might really mess us up. Let's do this. Alright, first one. You don't like this. It kind of sounded like a fart, to be honest.
Yeah.
At the end.
Rate it from 1 to 10.
1 to 10. Ghena.
5.
Jasyh?
2.
Yeah, I think it was bearable. 4 lah for me. Oh my god. The sound hasn't even started playing yet. Just the visual is really scaring us already, okay? All the best to us. Okay, honestly speaking kan, I think like the impact will be worse if there's no visual. For me.
I would say it would still be 5.
That was worse, but this one wasn't that.
Let's just hope it's an ASMR video or something, okay? Okay, for starters, who in the right mind would do that? So, kan, this is okay. By the way, that was a drink. Okay, like just drink it lah. Why must you gesek like that, right? Why? You got problem on the inside or something? But then again, didn't really bother me. Ghena.
I would say it's a 6.
Okay, quite bad.
2.
Yeah, right. Exactly right. Yeah. Hey, it's not working for us lah. Please lah. Let's go. A girl dancing? How bad could this be?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay, Fai tak suka. Fai kena aku.
I hate that.
Tak patah ke your kuku? I cannot get off. Mine is 11 over 10. What about you?
10.
9.5.
Okay lah, you finally got us this time. Is that the last?
No.
Ah!
And the last one.
Yay! Please lah. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Huh? You go to a mailbox and do that? But it was quite bad, like 8.
9.
5.
Real question is, this guy cuckoo somewhere lah. So that was our challenge, and technically it was more of a torture chamber than just a challenge lah. So thanks a lot. Which one is the worst? To me, it's still the chalkboard.
Yeah.
The chalkboard was crazy.
Yeah.
And it didn't just hurt my ears, it also, I felt it here.
Yeah, I feel very gully.
I felt like I could chip my fingernails just by doing that. Like, why would you do that, right? Sakit here, everywhere sakit, like, So, bottom line is, if you see a chalkboard, just take a chalk and write something. Don't go and... You're not Pontianak, okay?